The warm light filled their cozy apartment as bills and a blinking laptop lay scattered on the floor. Tunde sat quietly, shoulders heavy, his head bowed. Chica watched him, heart aching. Tunde, she said gently, holding his hand. What's wrong? He hesitated. I thought I was ready for this, for us, but right now I feel like I'm failing you. Chica's eyes softened. She leaned closer and whispered, I didn't marry your wallet. I married you. Something shifted. His shoulders eased. Together, they stacked the bills, opened the laptop, and prayed over their budget. The bills were still there, but the weight felt lighter. Because love replaced shame. Because teamwork replaced fear. Because marriage isn't about who carries the load. It's about carrying it together.